migration service that we are offering for anybody who's trying to move from the Keap platform to the GoHighLevel platform. There is no cash to it, and it's like done by professional team of experts who have done so many migrations before. Just bear with me to present this information in a structured way. I have the slides, so just bear with me and it will be much easier for you to understand. So there you can see, like, it starts with, if you're tired of Keap's confusing setup, contact limits, and the expensive add-on, this is your chance to move to GoHighLevel with zero migration fee. We'll migrate your entire Keap account to GoHighLevel 100% free by the expert. And your GoHighLevel is basically 100% free trial as well, 30-day free trial instead of 14-day, because you're going to sign up using our referral link. So basically, why entrepreneurs and coaches are switching from the Keap to the GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel has a modern all-in-one CRM plus automation system, unlimited contacts, users, and automation workflows, built-in AI chatbot, voice agent, funnels, calendar, email tool. The AI solution that they have built, the AI chatbot and voice agent, nobody can ignore, nobody should ignore. And that's why people want to be at the latest platform. Now, no more plugin juggling, everything under one roof, and basically, unlimited sub account. One sub account is enough to run one business with all these features we are talking. Unlimited sub account at fraction of the cost of all these big platforms. So what's holding you back from to be in the Keap, and what's holding a lot of people back? Because like their entire system is already built onto the Keap. This is the migration is the biggest pain. Whether they will be able to do that, that's what is holding them. Apart from that, complicated automation builder that takes hours to set up, paying extra for users, email credits, integration, limited visual funnels tools compared to modern platforms, constant need to connect third party for simple. Keap was great in time, but it's outdated for today's AI powered marketing world. So now let's talk the business. So all you need to do is just sign up to the GoHighLevel using our referral link, gohighlevel.com/AbdullahZaid. Normally with the gohighlevel.com you get 14-day free trial. With this you are getting 30-day free trial /Abdullah, because GoHighLevel has created this premium affiliate page for us, because we are their premium affiliate, doing it from quite a long time. Like, I've been associated independently with GoHighLevel, using it from 2020. My expert team will transfer your entire Keap setup, contact tax automation, email pipelines, you name it, to rebuild your entire automations and email sequences inside the GoHighLevel, but personal onboarding to help you use the system easily. If you do not know about me, you can research my channel. Further, I have done interviews of so many insiders. Like, this is the CEO and the co-founder, the biggest shareholder, CEO and the co-founder of GoHighLevel company himself, Sean Clark. Done personally 1 hour interview, like it is on my channel. The second co-founder also I've done interview. This was a year back. Now I'm planning to do it again. So what you will get when you join with my link, the GoHighLevel, free Keap to GoHighLevel migration, 30 day free trial instead of 14 days, and 127 pre-built snapshots. Basically, what are these snapshots? These are like all in one. Like, one snapshot is basically, let's say, real estate snapshot. You click, it is imported in your account. All the funnels, all the websites, all the email sequences, automation, everything is there. So 127, value $10,000 plus, this itself. And imagine this migration, how much costly it is, but my expert team who has been doing it from quite a while will be doing it. AI script to enhance automation, personal WhatsApp access. Now, guys, by the way, like, after you sign up, let me just okay, you will get to see my email address and phone number where you can contact me right away, so that we begin that migration process. So why I'm offering this for free? My mission is actually to help 10,000 entrepreneurs and agencies build automation driven business using GoHighLevel, because I'm very much, I believe into the GoHighLevel. So taking this strategic partnership very seriously. When you win with GoHighLevel, we grow together. Now click my link, gohighlevel.com/AbdullahZaid into your browser, start your 30-day free trial, and then WhatsApp me here, +971 588 601 057. That's my Dubai number. I'll right away start your migration service, or you can even email me at abdullah@abdullahzaid.com. My team transfers your Keap entire thing into GoHighLevel. You'll get personally onboarding session to launch successfully. 3 to 5 days, everything is done. Other users, like, they switched from Keap, and then setup was easy. Like, the migration, they really liked it, and you would definitely enjoy the process and love the latest migration. The world is at GoHighLevel right now. You should not miss this opportunity. And it is limited to capacity, because it's like manual task that is done. But if you have seen this offer, you message me and you have signed up to GoHighLevel using my link, definitely your migration is due on me, as I just promised with my team. So please ensure that you sign up using this link. It doesn't matter, it doesn't cost you anything extra. It's a no-brainer offer. Like, all these things, having a support, and again, switch, 100% free migration, everything, CRM, AI tools, automation funnels. You have migration, snapshots, support, everything done. GoHighLevel.com/Abdullah. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I'll reply to you, I'll see to you in my email and the WhatsApp that you're gonna do to me. Thank you.